Want to stream on your PS5 directly to Twitch without a PC or a capture card? Here's how to do it step by step. Step 1. Turn on your PS5 and log into your profile. Press the Create button and open the broadcast menu. You're gonna find it here down. This is the broadcast menu. Step 3. Select broadcast and choose Twitch from the list of streaming platforms. And then link your account. A QR code will appear, scan it with your phone or enter it at twitch.tv/activate. Once linked, adjust your broadcast settings under Captures and Broadcasts, and then Broadcasts. You can adjust your resolution, frame rate, and enable your microphone or camera if you're using the PS5 HD camera. Now set your stream title and choose your privacy options, public for everyone to watch or friends if you want it private. And then press go live. Your PS5 will start streaming directly to Twitch with no PC required. When you're finished, press the create button again and select stop broadcast. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.